Hello guys, let's make some bread waffles. I have 3 eggs in my bowl. I will add some salt, then I will add my vanilla extract, and then I'll give everything a whisk. Now I'll be adding my bread into my whisk egg. I went ahead to oil my waffle pan. After that, then I'll add the bread into my waffle and cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll open up my waffle pan with my wooden spatula. I'll take this out of the waffle pan. Guys, look at how beautiful it is. Another way to enjoy your waffle pan is this. Add your bread to your whisk egg as we did before, and then place it on your waffle bread, and then add any ingredient you want to add into it. Now I'll be adding the Nutella chocolate into one of them, and then I will cover it up. On the other bread, I will be adding slice of cheese, and then I will add cheddar cheese into this, and then cover it up with the other side of the bread. After some minutes of cooking, I will open up the waffle pan, and here you have it. Your bread waffle is ready. Guys, it was so delicious and interesting. Please try this out. Thank you. Bye.